Hi, my name is Puneeth and welcome to my channel Everyday Space. In today's video, we're going to discuss another project in the Arduino called Crystal Ball. So let's get started. Right here are all the components that you will need for this Arduino project. I have a standard Arduino and a breadboard. I have this LCD screen, which is kind of like a basic screen, 4 short jumper wires, 13 long jumper wires, and 2 power jumper wires or power cables. I have one 220 ohm resistor, one 10 kilo ohm resistor, one tilt sensor, and one potentiometer. These are the supplies that you'll need for this project. There are 3 main parts to this project. The first part is the tilt sensor. The second part is the potentiometer, and obviously the third one is the LCD screen. The LCD screen will display what you tell it to in the code. It will choose one of 8 sayings that it has on the code. This tilt sensor has a tiny ball inside it and has 8 different sensors. Whichever the ball hits the sensor, it will then give it back to the Arduino, and the Arduino will process it and give a result to the LCD screen. This potentiometer will change how much contrast it has on the screen. The more the contrast, the more visible the letters are. If there is no contrast, the letters will also be blue and you'll be able to see nothing. These are the 3 main components of this Arduino project. So I have the Arduino IDE pulled up here, and as you can see, I pulled up this code from Arduino and it is a pre-made code. So there are many pins that I put together: 12, 11, 5, 4, 3, 2. Each one of these has a different purpose. So if we scroll down a bit, if we do nothing and there is no case, it will say ask the crystal ball. Because it's LCD print crystal ball, it will say ask the crystal ball. So if we scroll down more, you can see if the switch state is low, reply random 8. That means there are 8 choices that this Arduino can choose from. The first case is print yes. The second is most likely. The second is certainly. The fourth is outlook good. The 5th is unsure, and the 6th is ask again, the 7th is doubtful, and the 8th is no. And you have to consider that it doesn't start from 1, it starts from 0. That's why even though it says it's case 7, it's actually basically case 8 because it starts on 0. It is now almost done with verifying my sketch. And after it verifies, I can upload it into the Arduino through the USB port. So now, as you can see, it is done compiling and it is done verifying. So now I can go on ahead and upload the code to my Arduino. So it is uploading, and it is done uploading. So I have to move the tilt sensor so this would change. So if I tilt the tilt sensor, it says Puneeth. It is probably case 6 or case 7. We know it's one of them because it says Puneeth. We can make another change and make this one space, and this one every day. So I verified again. It is always good to verify it every time you make a change, so the wrong code will not get uploaded into the Arduino and make it confused. So now it is uploading into the Arduino again. So it is done uploading. Now I just have to move it. It says Praneeth. It said Praneeth. And it says space now. It said everyday, now it's Praneeth. Now it's most likely. Because it says most likely, it's case 1. So that's how you can make a basic change to an Arduino and get a different outcome. So thanks for watching.